Feels like a loss, but it's the first point of the season. Watch forward to the game or not?
Yeah, it was tough to take at the end. Lads are disappointed. We've battled so well with regards to coming back from a goal down and then come back 3-2 down as well to come back 4-3. So and then at the end, so it's disappointing to take really. There were positives, but we can't give away goals like that.
Oh, as you said, though, it was 4 goals that we've actually scored, and it's most we've scored all season. So it's promising signs on one end, but 4
Yeah,
conceded.
as I say, there were positives to take out of the game, and to build on those, and when we go to Aberystwyth on Tuesday, but there's lots of things that need to be spoken about and put right.
And it was promising to see after last week's the performance last week compared to this week. It was promising to see that actually.
Yeah, but like I say, the lads were better. Players have come back in that weren't available at Pontypridd, so it's strength to this after the couple of injuries that we had tonight in the first half, and then get a squad ready for Aber on Tuesday.
And I said that it's Aber on Tuesday. It's another game. It's another clash that we need to basically get something out of. So what's your thoughts going into that? And
Aber are down there at the moment with us. We need to get points on the board. They're fighting for their lives, so to speak, and as early as it is as well. So we expect a battle, and we need to make sure that we're right on our game to get the 3 points.